Not long after, they spot a tigress named Marivana. She is very aggressive and even climbs a tree to attack the helicopter. She only provides a better target for Bart Schleyer.
A dart doesn't fly like a bullet. A dart is affected by gravity, and it's also affected by prop wash, and it flies more like an arrow.
This capture was a little more difficult than some of our other captures because Natasha was in the river bottom where the trees were really tall, so we couldn't get down as close to her as we would have liked to.
They're not really afraid of this helicopter, this monster, and it's a big helicopter, this monster in the sky that's following them. They're not afraid of it, they're just mad at it. And they would be perfectly willing to just try and pull that thing out of the sky if only they could reach it.